I'm just going to test out RØDE VideoMic Go on top of a GoPro Hero5. So as you all know, GoPro, it takes alright audio until you get it inside of a case that covers up a microphone or two, and it just doesn't sound very awesome at that point. So, and right now I'm just using external audio on the iPhone, of course. So we're going to go ahead and get a sample of some audio from this GoPro real quick. And right here is the $50 GoPro microphone adapter. Alright, so now we're using just the built-in GoPro audio, which I've got the housing on it and stuff, and this is what it sounds like. I've got my kids playing off to the side, and next thing you're gonna hear is gonna be the RØDE mic connected to the GoPro. Alright, now the audio that you hear is coming from the RØDE VideoMic Go, and it's all plugged into the GoPro. Again, my kids are still playing off to the side of me. They're being pretty quiet right now, but hopefully you can tell a difference with this video. It's just a quick little test. I'm going to go outside and test it again here in a minute. Alright, so now basically we're just going to take the GoPro over here where my kids are playing. Got the little preview screen going, and I'm just gonna sort of talk to the microphone, let the wind blow over it. Yell, Colin, yell! Have my kids be a little crazy.
I'm gonna go down the slide.
You're gonna go down the slide? Woohoo! Say hello to everybody.
Hi! I'm climbing.
You're climbing?
Yeah.
Is it windy out here right now?
Yes. But I'm trying to climb when it's windy.
Yeah, it's kind of hard sometimes. Colin, what you doing up there?
Trying to stay away from Kaya.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Would you say it's windy out here, sir, or would you say it's pretty good?
It's pretty good.
It makes it not so hot, huh?
Yeah.
Daddy
wants to try to get me. Daddy monster.
I'm doing a test, guys. I can't get you right now. I'm sorry.
Daddy wants to try to get me.
I can't get you right now. Basically, I've had a RØDE mic for a while. I just haven't really been able to use it because, you know, I can't show you with that. You have to be able to mount it to something. Otherwise, you're going to be holding a microphone and holding a camera, and that gets kind of weird. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is just set this whole setup right here. Set my phone over there. And so there's a little bit of a breeze. I have no idea how well this thing does when there's a breeze. So what I'm going to do though is unplug the RØDE mic now that we are outside. And I'm going to show you what it sounds like without the RØDE mic. Just the GoPro audio. Alright, the RØDE mic has been unplugged and now we're just using GoPro audio. It's inside of its housing, so it does mute some of the microphones, but really I always use this thing with a housing. I mount it to a tripod, and that's really kind of the best way to pack it around. So I'm going to move the camera around a little bit and you can hear all the different noises that it might make. Okay, so here we are walking around with just the GoPro audio.
I'm good at climbing.
Yes, you are. So now you can just kind of hear the difference when you're walking around. You get a little bit of wind on you. You can hear what it sounds like. Colin, yell! So that was our little test there, and now I'm going to plug the RØDE mic back in. Alright, now we've got the RØDE mic connected again, and what's kind of funny about it is the wind sort of picked up right when I plugged this thing in, so I'm just going to wander around a little bit more and kind of talk to you guys. This is kind of an interesting setup just because the GoPro mic adapter is so large. And just so in better light you can see what I've done here. This is the RØDE mic. I've just got it electrical taped to the top of the Hero5 case. And I just sort of let the GoPro mic adapter kind of hang there. I mean, as with most tests, I'm gonna have to take this thing home and watch the footage, hear how it sounds like on my speaker, and that'll be kind of the true test of what it's like. You guys are so fast, you're hard to chase. Alright guys, thanks for watching my little test. I hope it helps you make a decision on whether you should use an external mic on a Hero 5 or whether you should use a Rode mic in general. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sorry, because I know this video is already long enough, but I think the video, or the audio rather, it sounds really good with this microphone. In the wind, it's probably best to not use an external microphone unless you're going to put one of those little windscreen dead cat things over your Rode mic, because the wind noise was like louder than my voice was, and that's definitely not what you're looking for when you're making a video. Sorry for making such a huge video. Very fun to use this setup. As you can see, this sort of just is dangling against my hand right now. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye!